Kachiel nyaka e kar jot mar piny owacho kama bende chenro mar sidho ayanga kata chamo muma mar Jong'ad buche dhi nyime okinyi ma kawuono. Winja nena.
The Supreme Court mentorship program and moot court competition in a bid to foster legal and professional development and further demystify the judiciary with the youth. She has been recognized for her outstanding contribution as a Supreme Court judicial officer. Honorable Riga holds a Master's of Laws degree in Law, Governance and Democracy from the University of Nairobi, a postgraduate diploma in Law from the Kenya School of Law, and a Bachelor of Law degree from the University of Nairobi. Her professional affiliations include membership of the Law Society of Kenya, the International Association of Women Judges, and the Kenya Magistrates and Judges Association. A warm clap for her as she approaches the swearing-in arena.
I, Letizia Muthoni Wachira Riga, a judge of the High Court of Kenya, do swear in the name of the Almighty God to diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya and to impartially do justice in accordance with this Constitution as by law established and the laws and customs of the Republic without any fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other influence. In the exercise of the judicial functions entrusted to me, I will at all times and to the best of my knowledge and ability protect, administer, and defend this Constitution with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the judiciary and the judicial systems of Kenya and promoting fairness, independence, competence, and integrity within it. So help me God.
A warm clap. And if we can make our claps warmer, I promise you will not be charged with noise at State House.
Mana kamano chenro masidho jong'ad bura mag doho dhi nyime e kar jot mar piny owacho State House ma Nairobi ka otele kod jatend piny Kenya Dr. William Ruto kod mokuom jodito mag bar migawo ma judiciary, nyasi ma bende dhi nyime sani. Pile ka pile kaka wawacho ni ka gimoro otuch wane ma wabedo kode mokwongo.